So today we are in Chicago. We're going to North Coast Festival. It was a last minute send because Freakazoid Robot in El Paso canceled on us. I was gonna go to Bonnaroo, canceled as well. I'm here with the homies. I'm kind of filming the intro late at night because I completely forgot I filmed the intro at the beginning of the day, mostly because I was tired from flying. But I can assure you, this vlog is sick. So enjoy. So we're about to head out. We're at the Hilton on South Michigan. Pretty nice. We're headed to the car. Pretty nice. Sounds like a great deal, you know. 315. The goddamn fucking desktop. You'd think. You'd think. Gotta go to will call because I only got 2 days. Day 1 and day 2. Secured. We got it. What's up?
Do you need a mask for entry?
No, not for entry. Only just for the inside stuff. Yeah, yeah, okay. You're good. Yeah. Awesome. Wait, that's Rave Tina. Ah! Hey, what's that?
Got extra you want to get rid of?
No, no. This is for tomorrow.
Give people some advice. First, people who come to festivals for the first time. What's your advice?
Bring some water. A water pack would be decent.
Yes, actually, because where's the water stations?
Back that way. Back in the entrance.
Bro, they have one. They have one.
They have
water
one,
station.
but hey, it's fine.
They do?
Yeah, there's a big,
All right, take it easy, guys. Hey, what's up?
What up?
So, Like a Stranger ended. Cascade's still going, but we're gonna go back to the car. We're gonna try to beat traffic. Head to an after or some shit. Alright, we're back. We're done. We're gonna go some afters. I'm gonna go hang out with Emma Capotes and with Aid and Phil from Radiate. They're going to Liquid Stranger after party. And then we're gonna just call it a night. I mean, we're not doing shit after that.
Hours later we'll call
But stay tuned. Vlog day 2 coming next.